Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video, I have a pretty short video for you. It's going to be an instant clean, paint, and decorate. I also am going to be revealing Evelyn's room. It's finally done. Honestly, I would say it's like 99% done, and I just couldn't wait any longer. So I'm going to show it to you. So I am starting with the newest project that Chris and I are starting in our home refresh is our basement. So I'm actually painting our basement windows. If you are brand new here, hey, what's up? My name is Jessa. I have a new series. It's not really new anymore. It's been going on for like a month, but I have a series going on my channel right now. I'm calling it my home refresh since I'm hesitant to call it a reno because we're not doing any type of big work, but we are essentially going through my entire house room by room. We're repainting the entire house, decluttering, organizing, decorating, and I'm kind of in a rush to get this all done before the holidays. We are hosting Thanksgiving this year. It's not going to be anything crazy, like just immediate family. We're not having like any big party or anything like that. So I am kind of in a rush to get as much done as I can before Thanksgiving, but that's another story for another time. So, like I said, in today's video, this is part of my home refresh series. I am going to be painting the basement windows here, which you are watching now. And then I have some very light cleaning I'm going to be doing after. I'm actually going to be cleaning the outside of the windows on the outside of the house. Again, very, very basic light cleaning. And then I am going to move into Evelyn's room, which was the first room we tackled in my home refresh series. And that room is finally done, but I am just kind of doing like some last minute decorating, last minute Halloween decor, since when this video is going up, Halloween is just in a few short days. So I wanted Evelyn's room to be like really nicely decorated for Halloween. She's super excited. So I was kind of in a rush to get that done. For right now, I'm going to let some music play while I paint. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it.
No one's ever made it longer than a year. Oh no, counting down the days till you disappear. 'Cause every time they get too close, I try and move away. This time
So as far as Ev rooms go, I am like I said, this room is about 99% done. There's definitely some like last minute organizing stuff that I need to do, but I'm really happy to do a room reveal now. Like I said, this is essentially done. So for her room, I'm going to be hanging up this canopy above her bed. This was actually part of a birthday, like a princess birthday decorating kit from Amazon that I got, and I saved this from her birthday just because I had this idea in mind. So I actually nailed the canopy to the wall. I like secured it with like this pretty ribbon. I nailed it to the wall, and then the foam like glittery crown is secured to the wall with command strips. I'm going to try to link as much stuff as possible in the description box, like as far as decor goes and where I got things. A lot of stuff in her room is a little bit older, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to find it. Like this bookcase is about 3 years old. I got that off Amazon. The rolling cart that you just saw with all of her stuffed animals, and so that's from Michael's, the rolling cart. The jack o' lantern, like the light up pumpkin that you saw on that cart, that one's from At Home. I really like At Home. Definitely sign up for their emails. They have really good deals. So yeah, definitely check the description box. I'm going to do my best to link as much as I can. But I'm super excited that Evelyn's room is, like I said, 99% done. Definitely keep an eye out in the next couple videos. I really need to do her closet. I would say her closet and her books are the two last things that we need to do. But like I said, essentially everything else is done, and she's super happy. We're super happy. Like, I cannot wait to show you like the before and after at the end of this video. I know you guys will love it. So now that I'm done making her bed, I'm going to hang up her mirror on her closet door. I love these mirrors. The one I got is from Target. It doesn't weigh a lot. It's like perfect for a 6-year-old. It's not like anything fancy, like these giant, pretty, Instagram mirrors, but it was $10 at Target, and I got it when they were doing like their college dorm stuff back in like August. And like I said, I think these mirrors are like totally perfect. I love them, and they are fairly light, so you can hang them with command strips, which I like even more. For this, I'm using like the Velcro command strips. Normally, these are used to like hang pictures or like decor on the wall, but because this mirror doesn't weigh a whole lot, I am able to use command strips for it. And then after I am done with the mirror, I am going to be putting a doorknob on her closet door. That was kind of one of like the last finishing touches that we haven't done. So I did do a lot of that off camera. Like I just didn't feel like you guys needed to watch me put a doorknob on, but I do like kind of like half do it just so you guys can see me. And then, like I said, I'll move on to some really quick, like last minute Halloween decorations, and then I will show you the reveal. While actually I'm doing this doorknob and hanging up some decorations, I'll tell you a little bit about where I got everything because I know I will get questions. Um, so the banner that I'm hanging up in on her windows right now, I just secured it with two little nails at the top. I really recommend, like I said, I really recommend At Home. I shopped there for the first time this year, and I really, really enjoyed everything I got. And the banner that I got is super high quality. It's a really thick like fabric banner, and the letters that are on it are actually like this like really thin wooden letters, and I really think I'm going to have that banner for a very long time, and it was $12, so I couldn't be more happy with that. All of the decor on her shelves are either from At Home or the Target dollar spot. So if you guys are brand new here, or if this is your first time tuning in a while, this is what Evelyn's room looked like at the beginning of September, or I think it was like the middle of September. It was one of the most neglected rooms in the house. Really, just after quarantine and spending so much time in the house, it really took a beating. But Chris and I also knew that this was going to be the first room that we tackled when we started, so shame on us. We did let it go. Like we kind of like stopped really getting in there and cleaning because we knew in just like a couple weeks we were gonna like completely redo the room and get everything out of there. So this is what the room looks like right now. I am thrilled with the transformation, and so is Evelyn. It's like the perfect princess room, like for a 6-year-old girl. I just can't get enough of like this bubblegum pink. It is overwhelming, and definitely it does like the room like glows, like when you stand in it you have like this pink glow to you, But those are my some of like those are some of my favorite memories as a child is my parents always let me pick out the paint color of my room. So I wanted to pass like that memory on to Evelyn. So yeah, I'm really really happy with this transformation. Like I said, definitely check the description box. I will try to link as many things as I can. But a lot of this stuff is older, so I don't know if I'll be able to find it. But that's it, guys. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing. I have a lot of awesome, fun holiday cleaning motivation coming. And I'm super excited to go through the holiday season with you guys. I love you from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you next time.